Yeah, it's free. Download that one. Yeah, that one. Download it. Yeah. Don't care about the website it came from. Just download it. Yeah, trust me, it'll be fantastic. It'll make everything run so much better. Trojan horse. I don't think that program's got a Trojan horse in it. What can a Trojan horse do anyway? Just download it. You'll be fine. Yeah, just go on, do it. Have you heard about Trojan horses? You might have heard the term, may have heard of Trojan, but just like in Greek mythology, it's something that's snuck in a horse sent by the Trojans to attack you when you least expect it. A lot of these little free downloads, a lot of these little gifts you get from links, things like that that you get on the internet, come down with a little hidden surprise, a Trojan horse. You might think you're downloading that latest app to create the latest ringtone on your phone, but it's also loading some spyware, things that pop up, things that make ads appear on your machine, maybe steal passwords and do some nasty things. Trojan horses are the program you never wanted. They're the thing that came along for the ride that you didn't expect. When you're installing things, when you're reading those terms and conditions or what it's installing, pay careful attention. You don't want any Trojan horses. Trojan horses, why do they exist? Because people make money out of them. Just because you're getting an ad at your end and you're not accepting it, the fact that it appeared on your screen might mean they get a couple of cents or even a dollar, who knows? But they're making money out of getting it in front of you. So if there's an application that somebody wants enough and they're desperate enough and they download it and install it, they can trick you into installing this thing. And quite often when you remove the application, it leaves behind the Trojan horse. So these are programs you just don't want. If you have a slow machine, something going a bit strange than normal, pop-ups, going to strange websites you didn't expect, or other icons pop up on your desktop or start menu you didn't expect, you might have a Trojan horse. Yes, you can run anti-malware and antivirus, but some Trojan horses are not viruses. Some act in a very legitimate way, doing something in a very illegitimate way. So not always can you remove these things. So if you have a suspicion, give us a call here at BTP or email helpdesk@btponline.com.au. And also next time you go to install something, think about where'd you get it from? What sort of website was it? What else was there to download? What other benefit might they be getting out of you?